Guys, playback. The open racing. In front is taken by Tagaytay Euro. From the outside now, Magic Fantasy. It's Magic Fantasy followed by Tagaytay Euro. Running by Royal Durango. Then sneaking in now, Hamza Alexis. 5 wide at our favorite. Here Comes the Sun. Then followed by Have a Nice Day, Golden Maria. While Perfect Act is running in the tail of the field. Into the back they travel. Magic Fantasy leads by Sun 2. Here comes now. Here Comes the Sun. From the outside to take the leader. It's now Here Comes the Sun leading the pack. Followed by Magic Fantasy. And running in third, Hamza Alexis. Around the outside now, Durango. Have a Nice Day. Closing in inside the last 600. It is still Here Comes the Sun, leading by Sam 4 lengths now. Moving up now the outside, Have a Nice Day, Magic Fantasy, running by Will Hamza, Alexis Durango. Towards the final turn, but still Here Comes the Sun. And threatening danger now the outside is Hamza Alexis. It's Here Comes the Sun, Hamza Alexis on the outside. Here Comes the Sun, Hamza Alexis, not the outside. It's now Hamza Alexis. Here Comes the Sun. Have a Nice Day. And finally, it's an upset by number 1, Hamza Alexis. Second, Have a Nice Day. Here Comes the Sun, Durango.